At the foot of towering Mount Tai, homeland of Confucius and Mencius, subtle mix of strength and wisdom, gathering strength to support the world. It is Zhuoyue Tianyi, China's most respected leader of wall panel equipment industry. There is a vigorous and powerful wall panel equipment manufacturing enterprise in the wall panel equipment and manufacturing industry. Zhuoyue Tianyi aspired to be the leader of the industry since its foundation in 1998. In the past 15 changing years, Zhuoyue Group Tianyi Machinery follows the development of construction industrialization, residential industrialization, low carbon and energy saving, and technological innovation. Uses new technologies and techniques to upgrade traditional wallboard equipment products. Gives high-tech, intelligent humanization to wall panel equipment and leads the domestic development of wall panel equipment industry. Products developed and manufactured by Tianyi Machinery, for example, compound wall panel production line, light wall panel production line, extruded wall panel production line, foam cement insulation board production line, heat insulation decorative board production line, occupy the domestic and overseas market successfully. Some products have accounted for more than 40% share of the domestic industry by far and exported to more than 30 countries and regions, for example, Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Indonesia, and Ethiopia, with more than 4,000 value customers, highly praised by domestic and foreign customers. Declared and obtained total 56 patents, Tianyi Machinery is gradually becoming an important technology research and development center of wall panel machinery and equipment in the world, whose product structure achieved two wings development trend of partition wall panel machinery and external wall thermal insulation panel machinery. Tianyi Machinery has won more than 20 titles, for example, National Key High-Tech Enterprise, famous brand of China building material machinery, Star Enterprise of Shandong on Chinese patent, Engineering Research Center in Shandong, Recontract and Trustworthy Enterprise in Shandong. Tianyi Machinery announced its public listing on September the 10th of 2014 in Shanghai Equity Exchange Center, injected new vigor and vitality to the developing company, and opened a new chapter in wallboard equipment manufacturing industry. Quality is the guarantee of the dignity of machinery manufacturing industry. Tianyi Machinery possesses many advanced equipment, for example, CNC lathes, CNC flame cutting machine, to ensure the high-quality production for every part. Meet interchangeability requirement of parts, strictly follows on-site management system 7S for the production site. Siri, Satan, Seiso, Sekutsu, Shizuke, Safety, Safe, strictly checks for the fine processing of every part. Also established a sound quality monitoring system and a comprehensive lab, which is provided with 3 coordinate measuring instruments, hardness testers, and other detecting equipment, tracks the quality of key parts, checks products well, and ensures the next process after reaching good standards. As national leading enterprise of new wall materials and equipment, Tianyi Machinery produces various high-quality building materials and equipment, which have been a synonym for the company brand. Every wall panel making machine from Tianyi Machinery could provide perfect processing performance to customers. Research and development is the source for the innovation and development of enterprises. With the domestic trend of construction industrialization, Tianyi Machinery signed a strategic cooperation agreement with China Building Materials Institute, Anhui University, Jinan University, introduced a polymer material specialist of Anhui University, Professor Liu Baozhu, and a selected fellow of Thousand Talents Program of Central Organization Department, Professor Zhu Dezhu, established a long-term relationship among enterprises, colleges, and institutes, learns advanced technology in Germany, USA, and other countries and regions, highlights the science and technology application used in building materials, machinery, and equipment. And all of these drove Tianyi Machinery to make breakthrough constantly. With high-quality talents from both domestic and overseas in technical design, electronic technology, environmental protection, and other areas, R&D team of Tianyi Machinery tackles key problems concerning topics of organic combinations of multiple elements, for example, green production, environmental protection, intelligent technology, reforms and innovates continuously, and walks in the forefront of the domestic building materials, machinery, and equipment. Idea is the driving force for an enterprise to keep forward. Tianyi Machinery firmly follows the path of constant innovation and development, builds Tianyi Machinery into a most competitive and leading national key high-tech enterprise in the wall panel equipment industry, carrying the glorious mission of the realizing shareholders' value and employee values maximization. Tianyi Machinery has been striving on the path of sustainable development in which men integrate with nature. Tianyi Machinery keeps seeking effective ways of enterprise management and talent cultivation with the method of billboard production, just-in-time production, and with the smooth communication channels to make the refined management come true. Tianyi Machinery always adhere to the talent philosophy of morality first, best use of talents and mutual development, and adopt the omni-bearing, multi-layered personnel training system of skills training for employees and industry-university research cooperation to build development platform for employees and provide high-level personnel guarantee for enterprise development. The Holy Land of Confucius and Mencius casts Tianyi Machinery's humanistic care idea of sincerity and mercy. In the employees' multifunction center, the elegant environment, the cultural atmosphere, the delivery of loving hearts, and the overflowing pressure give employee enjoyable after-work life. The company actively promotes various and colorful recreational activities, such as the Thanksgiving trip, tourism, and the fellowship performance for Mid-Autumn celebration, etc. The company invested 10 million RMB setting up the Help Love Fund to help the needy employees. Tianyi Machinery seriously promises that every employee's child will never get deprived from education. Tianyi Machinery insists on repaying society as the foundation of development, has been positively involved in programs for public good, donated for the overbridge constructing of the new first middle school of Yangzhou City, actively helped college students who were in poor financial conditions. All of these demonstrate not only Tianyi's overall strength, but also its good reputation as a private enterprise. High-quality service is the ultimate embodiment of the enterprise value. From the perspective of the watcher of the customer benefits, Tianyi Machinery provides the clients with all-round quality service and is willing to help the clients to achieve their goal. With a guide of this concept, Tianyi Business College emerges as the times require. The pre-sale service contains analyzing the counseling of the users, providing them with a market exploration, project assessment, and full-course specialized guidance. The unpurchased service contains supervising the construction of infrastructure, hydraulic project, power engineering, and other processes, providing the users with the setting up of the management framework and staff training. The after-sales service contains accepting technical counseling all day and engineering technicians' regular visit. The extended service contains providing the users with the updating of the device system, new dies, and new techniques. We provide our clients with one-stop service aiming to settle troubles of the development of the enterprise. The customer satisfaction is the source of motivation for us to make continuous progress. Shandong Research Center of Engineering, funded by Tianyi Machinery, is domestically the first provincial-level technical center of wallboard machinery and equipment industry. We exclusively examine the local raw material of construction material for users and provides the users with formulation of construction material for free. Thus, we ensure that the construction material produced by the devices has the excellent performance of lightweight, fire resistance, sound insulation, durability, adhesiveness, and environmental protection, and so on, so as to make users achieve success in the trade war. Tianyi always believes that the interest of the client is the ultimate aim for every staff to realize personal value. With the transformation and upgrading of real estate industry, housing industrialization has been highly valued by relevant departments and enterprises owing to its advantages of high speed and efficiency in energy conservation and emission reduction. Tianyi Machinery, together with Shandong Zhouyue Precision Manufacturer Group Company Limited and Shandong Classic Heavy Industry Company Limited, etc., formed Management Strategy Industry Alliance and changed the traditional construction methods of production, making house building produced in industrialized mode like the cars. We exert ourselves to build skeletons by the classic steel structure with national steel structure manufacture of special qualification, steel structure construction of the first level qualification, special construction design of grade A qualification, and curtain wall decoration design of grade B qualification. We construct the building wall with a new type lightweight wall panel material produced by Tianyi Machinery. We will cooperate with some domestic outstanding precision work, which mainly produces aluminum alloy profiles and industry profiles, to produce technical alloy door and window and make professional engineering contracting, construction decoration, and building operation. Zhouyue and Tianyi Industry Alliance will integrate the resources and spare no effort to ensure the market advantage of all parties and push business into new fields together, aiming to realize the blueprint in the future. Mighty waves prove gold, big storms prove towering pine. After years of special accumulation, Tianyi has become faithful and distinguished from other kinds, pragmatic and strategic, and unremitting creative, and we pass the sprint of integrity, innovation, efficiency, and altruism. In the future, Tianyi will develop into a top-level manufacturer of wallboard machinery in the world. Looking far ahead and aiming high, Tianyi Machinery will get to the top of the wall panel industry for you and for the world. Tianyi will let us to realize our dreams together.